Hey, hi there, fellas. Hey, guys, tell me, would like to earn more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to earn more cash? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to the short video on which we're gonna speak about how to promote your products successfully. Okay. First of all, buddies, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watched this video. You just tell me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, very, very awesome. So keep up. Okay, fellas, how to promote your product successfully? Okay, guys, well, there are many things that you can do, but few the things that experts do. First of all, if you want to promote a product, first of all, you gotta pick a product that works. Okay, pick a product that works. Do not sell products that do not work. You gotta understand all these kind of things. When you sell a product that work, people are going to buy, and then people are going to, how can I say, recommend the same product to other people, to other people. And then like this, your sales gonna grow. But if you keep selling products that do not work, there will be a lot of refund, and people are gonna make bad comments. And then people, they are going to start to reject or not buying your product even before they hear your information. Okay? So the first thing that you gotta do is to pick a product that works. Okay? Pick a product that works. Okay? Yeah, and for you to know if a particular product works, you gotta try it. Try it. Try the product. See the results for yourself, and then you can sell it. And then you can sell it. In other words, just sell products that you would recommend to your wife and family. Okay? Yeah. Okay. First, pick a product that works. And then what you can do it is to constantly, how can I say, deliver valuable information about your niche to your customers. You gotta deliver valuable information about your niche to your customers. Let's say, for example, you have a list of followers. A list of followers. You have your autoresponder, and then you have how can I say, your list. Do not just go out and then sell your product like this. No. What you can do it is to, how can I say, it could be every day, it could be 3 times a week or 4 times a week, depending on your program. Yeah, you have to constantly deliver valuable information about your niche. You gotta always, in other words, you need to help. You need to help your customer, whether he's gonna buy your product or not. You gotta need to keep, how can I say, helping them. This is very important. This is what experts they do. They always deliver valuable. Like for example, if you are in health niche, for example, fitness, do not just go out and sell your product. Before you sell your product, how can I say, deliver content like, for example, videos or content or blogs or anything that explain, for example, in fitness, how to exercise to increase endurance, exercise to increase muscle, those type of things, exercise to increase strength, those type of things, when you constantly deliver good information about your niche, then people, how can I say, they're gonna start to trust you, and once they trust you, they are much more likely to buy the product from you. Yeah, that's how things are done. Or other things, for example, if you are also health department in martial arts, what you can do, for example, is deliver content or create videos that say how to deliver a better punch, how to deliver a better kick, how to use feinting motions, what is the best technique that you can use in a street fight or something like this, this kind of contents. First, you gotta know, you first have a very good product. And second, when you have to know your niche, you have to know your niche. Then keep delivering valuable content about your niche. This is what the experts they do. One guy that does this very cool, very good. It is Grant Cardone. He's a real estate expert. He is a real estate expert. He keep delivering to his customers always valuable information about real estate. How the best deal to make, how you can buy a particular property, what are the best properties, those kind of things. You should do also the same. Keep delivering valuable content to your customers. Okay? Okay guys, write your comments below. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Is a new channel, and subscribe to the new channel and check the link below so that you can see this awesome program that's gonna teach you how to make money online in a very effective way. Okay, also by checking the link below, you're going to have the opportunity to have this free ebook that's going to help you with problems of life and business. But write your comments below. Okay, subscribe to this new channel and let me know what you think about this video and what kind of videos you want me to make. Okay? Okay, buddy. I'll see you in next video. Ciao.